Oh no. Why can't I be crowned king? Why? My father was supposed to be the king after our great king passed on. And it was that way because our great king who moved on did not have a son. So naturally, it rested on my father. Unfortunately, my father passed on as well. But my father had a son, a rich son for that matter, who happens to be me. So normally I should take the crown. I mean, it shouldn't be contested anyway. What is going on? Is someone trying to twist it? What's happening?
No, Mbana. Nobody can twist the tradition of Ezioba. Mba.
So what's going on?
Let me break it down for you. Your father, who was supposed to be crowned a king, unfortunately died before he could be crowned. And that was why you were denied the kingship of Ezioba. Naturally, in Onuora's family, it will go to the eldest, who is my girl.
Oh no. I've waited for this opportunity all my life. And I mean all my life. Because I always knew that one day, our great king will move on. And it would rest on my father. And then my father would move on. And the kingship of this land would rest on me. Put yourself in my shoes, Onowu. What would you do?
Unfortunately, there is nothing anyone can do about it. Therefore, we have to accept it the way it is.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.